Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ron, and today we're gonna unbox a world's smallest thermal camera, and the name is Infiray P2pro. So, what is it? Let's go ahead.
So, it's packaged in one solid box, and reading from the top surface is their logo and product name, P2pro. Out that's some a rectangular texture. Anyway, this is a nice package with design. And for the back of the box, is the product name P2pro with micro lens, and the Android type in the manufacturer's information. And now we're gonna cut and peel off the plastic film. Alright, so it's all being packed nicely, even for the inside components. And right on the top is the file clip. Let me check it out. Okay, I got my carrying stuff bag, user's manual, and warranty card. And right here are the main course today: the P2pro camera and micro zoom lens. Just as they claim, it's so small and compact. I've checked the other similar products as 301, Sig Compact, and Top Tone. But so far, I can declare that, out of doubt, P2pro is the most compact one. And it also has metal shell, so it might be more secured as well. And here is the additional zoom lens that attaches to the camera. And with the help of magnetic, it can be snapped to each other very easily, just like this. Okay, well, put aside this for a while. Now in the carton case is the extension cable. I like this very much because not every product comes with this. So thanks Infiray that we can use this cable in the case where you can move your phone around and you just attach one end to the phone and attach another to the camera. It's so convenient. When the thermal camera is not being used, you can store it in the soft bag provided to carry on or within your pocket. It's all up to you.
For the use of it, you can download the app P2pro from the Apple Store or Google Play, because it's dually supported by Android and iOS system. Then you just plug in and display. There are point, line, rectangular, scale bar, palette, and Fusion A camera buttons to provide you with DIY options when mirroring at home, warehouse, workshop, especially at night. Compared with other brands, it comes with a magnetic micro lens, and you just snap it on the camera. Transistors of 0.25 mm can be clearly captured on the circuit board, and that's why it's so popular among the engineers. Is this what you want? Share your comments.